Today I'm here with two friends. Ellen's is not really in the shot.
All right,
so.
Ellen screwed up. Pretty? Dommy? Who's Dommy? No.
Dommy.
Dommy.
I like how that's saying now.
I'm gonna drink to that. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Okay, so we're here today, Georgia and Demi. We all live here in New York City. Georgia, though, is from Texas.
Lubbock, Texas.
Lubbock, Texas. And Ellen is from the lovely state of New Jersey.
Strathmere, New Jersey.
Yeah, anyways, I thought it'd be fun to just bring them on and we can talk a little bit about living in New York and what it's like as a 20-something in New York City. Okay, so
I've been here for over a year and a half now.
I've actually lived in New York for 9.5 years. I know. I love the city. I moved here for college and then I just stayed because I dated a guy from New York and now I'm still dating the guy from New York.
it happens.
Yeah, it happens.
Not to most.
Yeah.
Subways. Like, definitely Subways.
Definitely.
Like, it is so
That is
convenient.
a good restaurant.
Eat fresh. I mean, it's so convenient because, like, I remember when I'd be, like, in Jersey, like, I commute, I'm an actor and I would be, you know that. Audience.
Check out the Bible.
Hashtag there's theater. But I'm an actor, and when I would commute to the theater, when I worked in Cape May, it would sometimes take me, like, an hour to 2 hours in my car to go somewhere that's only 15 minutes from my home because the traffic on the parkway would be so bad. Whereas in the city, like, there's never traffic on the train. Yeah, sometimes there's like a track fire, but there's no traffic.
Heavy.
Track fire.
Sleeping homeless man, but
yeah. Kittens.
As long as it's working.
Yeah, I agree. Subways are awesome. That's one of my favorite things about living here. What's your favorite thing?
I feel like everything's more my pace here. I feel like I'm a very outspoken, I don't know if you knew this, outspoken individual, and I'm a weirdo and a musician, and so I feel like I fit a lot more into this place that's very fast-paced, and there's something always happening, and you can just surround yourself by a lot of different people who ordinarily you wouldn't get to, like, familiarize yourself with.
And I think what's cool about living here is that you can be like any type of person you want to, and it doesn't matter. Like, nobody cares. 'Cause, like, people on the street don't care about you. Like, there's way too many people for anyone else to be caring about you. Like, you can walk around like anonymous, like, and that's like weirdly like one of the things I like. So I love, like, that's what I love about traveling. Is like you
just run to music and being your own world. Yeah.
I love alone
I feel
time.
like you can do that so easily here.
If you're antisocial, move to New York.
It's true.
Although, to that being said, though, I also feel like it's really easy to make friends here.
Vegan homeless guys.
Taurus. It's so cold here. That's my thing.
The cold.
I mean,
it is actually, like,
we're about to be in a blizzard tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah.
You'll
know. It'll be the
later.
future when you're watching this.
So hopefully we all survive.
This might be the best record of us living.
I know my wings were on my face.
I think the battery's gonna cut out like right now. Alright guys, so that was a really quick video about things that we like and didn't like about living in New York. We'll all come to you again. We'll do another video.
Yeah,
we just did this kind of on a whim. So
if you couldn't tell.
If you don't know, I make videos about travel, like language tutorials, packing tutorials, things about living in New York. So you can subscribe if you like it.
I had this guy like ask me for something, and I was like, oh, like I have like this this really nice pasta Alfredo. And was he like this? I'm sorry, is it vegan? I was like.